Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video begins with a greeting and immediately asks if you want to recover deleted Instagram photos. So let's get started. First step: open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon, bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top right. From the menu, select the Your Activity option. Scroll down in the Your Activity menu until you see Recently Deleted. Open the Recently Deleted folder to see deleted posts, reels, and stories available for recovery. Find the photo or reel/story you want to recover. Tap the photo. Then tap three dots in the top right of the photo screen. Choose Restore to recover it back to your Instagram profile. After the restore action, your post will reappear on your profile. The video closes with a reminder to like and subscribe if viewers found it useful.